Just a reminder, all you wonderful people out there in YouTube land, like I was talking about earlier for Wacky Wednesday, you gotta be consistent in your uploads. I mean, that's what the big bosses say. Like, one time a week is not gonna work anymore. The algorithm has changed. Again, so my suggestion, yeah, Wally, upload at least one video a day, right? Every day of the week. And if you're really good, you could do like 2 videos per day, every day of the week. And just to be safe, but not certain, you could do 3. And there you have it. There's consistent video upload endeavors. Okay, so don't forget, make a splash, be the water. Who says that? I bet you nobody knows who that is. If you know who said that before, and it's pretty famous when he said, be the water, you tell me who said that. Or tell the whole world, and I'll share it. Happy Wacky Wednesday. Don't forget, make a splash. Yay. Peace out, everybody.